Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about the Capitec Virtual Card. The Capitec Virtual Card offers amazing benefits such as enhanced security, convenience, and flexibility for your online purchases. Let's dive into how you can easily obtain your Capitec Virtual Card. Follow these simple steps in your Capitec app. Next, we'll set up your virtual card on both the mobile app and desktop. Follow along. It's important to link your Capitec virtual card to reliable online payment platforms for seamless transactions. Now, let's look at how you can make purchases online using your Capitec virtual card. It's essential to be aware of your transaction limits and any associated fees to manage your spending wisely. Protecting your Capitec virtual card information is crucial. Here are some best practices to keep your data secure. With the Capitec app, you can easily monitor and manage your transactions for better control over your finances. Sometimes, issues may arise. Let's go over some common problems and how to troubleshoot them effectively. In conclusion, using your Capitec virtual card can greatly enhance your shopping experience. Maximize its benefits to enjoy a secure and seamless online experience.